The British government has made a bold and controversial move by issuing a secret technical capability notice to Apple, demanding the creation of a backdoor to access encrypted iCloud data globally. This action, rooted in the Investigatory Powers Act of 2016, grants British intelligence agencies MI5 and MI6 extensive surveillance powers, including the ability to force internet service providers to maintain detailed records of users' web browsing activities. The demand's secrecy is so strict that Apple is legally prohibited from discussing it, suggesting the information reached the media through a whistleblower. At the heart of this controversy is Apple's Advanced Data Protection Service, launched in 2022, which adds extra security to your data by using end-to-end encryption. This means only you can access your iCloud data, like photos and backups. Not even Apple can see it. It helps protect sensitive information from hackers or unauthorized access. This service represents a significant shift from traditional encryption methods used in iCloud storage, which is estimated to hold data in the exabyte range. Don't know what is exabyte? Don't worry, let's see what it is. An exabyte is an enormous amount of digital data. To break it down, imagine 1 gigabyte GB is about the size of 200 songs or 10 minutes of HD video. 1 terabyte TB is about 1000 gigabyte, which could store around 500 hours of HD video. 1 petabyte, a PB, is about 1000 terabytes. This could hold 250,000 movies in HD. Now 1 exabyte is 1000 petabytes. If you tried to store an exabyte of data, it would be like having millions of HD movies, millions of songs, and tons of video files all put together. It's a huge amount of data, much more than we typically deal with in everyday life. In conventional encryption, data is secured during transit and storage, with Apple maintaining access to the decryption keys in their data centers. However, advanced data protection implements end-to-end encryption, placing key management solely in users' hands, effectively preventing even Apple from accessing the data under government pressure. The evolution of end-to-end encryption traces back to 1991 with the development of PGP, pretty good privacy, for email security. Modern messaging apps like Signal and WhatsApp have advanced this technology using the double Rachet algorithm, which generates unique key pairs for each message and implements a sophisticated chain ratchet for message key derivation. This system provides forward secrecy, ensuring that even if one message is compromised, past and future communications remain secure. It provides a stronger layer of security for private end-to-end encrypted communications. This level of security has become a significant concern for government surveillance efforts. Apple's history of protecting user privacy suggests they're unlikely to simply comply with the UK's demands. A notable precedent occurred in 2016 when Apple refused the US Department of Justice's request to unlock the San Bernardino shooter's iPhone, despite intense pressure, while the FBI eventually gained access through a third-party hack costing over $1 million. Apple maintained its stance against creating backdoors. The most probable outcome of the current situation may be a compromise where advanced data protection becomes unavailable specifically in the UK market. For individuals prioritizing digital privacy, several crucial protective measures are recommended. These include implementing end-to-end encryption for all communications through apps like Signal, enabling full disk encryption on storage devices, utilizing a VPN with strict no-logs policy, and browsing via the Tor network for anonymized traffic. Don't know what exactly is Tor? Don't worry, let's see what it is. Tor is a software and a network, but it's most commonly used through the Tor browser, which is a special web browser designed to help you browse the internet anonymously. It connects to the Tor network, routing your traffic through multiple layers of encryption to protect your privacy. Also can use privacy-focused operating systems like Tails OS, which runs from USB and leaves no digital footprint, and offer additional security. However, UK users should note that using Tor might attract unwanted attention, since ISPs are legally required to log all browsing activity. What are your thoughts on this situation? Do you think governments should have access to encrypted data for national security, or should privacy always come first? Drop your opinion in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.